Oh, ngiyajabula ukwazi Mabhonyongo.
Ne, lina ugama lakho luba.
Mina uSphiwe, senior. Yeah.
Oh, ingane yini?
Ingane yami le.
Okay, bengisacela ukubuza ukuthi kahle reason yokuthi limlethe la yini?
No, i-reason ukuthi ngimlethe lana ukuthi ngifuna abone impilo after mina sengifile.
Okay.
Ngoba umfana uyi-one.
Yeah.
Angarelay mhlambe kwabanye abantu. Ngoba uzogcina sebhizi sebhema nama-drugs. Yabona. Eseyizinto ezingasile. So la yena uright akana inkinga. Une respect, uphase kahle, uqedile i-matric. Mara ngifuna ukuthi ngimfake kule nto ukuthi if ngifa today.
Yeah.
I was ukuzimela.
Yeah. Ane, yazi ngithanda yini ngoba you do care about your son. Yabona.
Yeah.
The reason why umlethela is because of uyamthanda.
Yeah.
You want what's best for him.
Yeah.
And like Tina, as the rising star generation this camp, we will make sure like whatever that you wish, it will come true. You get my point?
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you so much, Baba.
Ngiyabonga. Yeah, nizomphatha kahle ngiyawazi.
Yeah, hayi ngiyabonga.
Straight.
Mfowethu, wena ugama lakho ubani konje?
Siphiwe.
Siphiwe. Oh, ngiyacela. Wena the way usphethe ngakhona. Continue that way. Uyabona? Yenza ubaba bakho asichenye ngawe.